Hey guys, what's up? It's a Minecrafters here, and so today I'm gonna teach you how to solve the pyraminx. Show you how to solve it. But before we learn how to solve it, we need to learn the notations of the pyraminx. So let's go. So, what are the notations? These are ways so that you can remember a set of moves, such as what I'm doing right now. These set of moves have to be remembered. So, if you don't already have the good muscle memory, which you will get later, you'll need notations. So, how do notations work? The pyraminx notations are pretty simple, to be honest, and it comprises of four basic notations. Left, which basically means move the left piece, right for the right piece, U for the up piece, and B for the back piece. And if you already don't know, the back piece is almost not needed for this algorithm this tutorial, and so you don't need to learn that one. But first, there's a left, there's a right, there's a up, and there's also small r, small small l, small r, and small u. This indicates to move these steps. These steps are very simple to solve as they always remain on one position and you're just one move away to solve them, or it's already solved. So, what do you do for notations? So, basically, how you write notation? You write it as prime or not prime. So, here's how you write prime or not prime. So, I've taken R and then I see and then I want to move it clockwise, not anti-clockwise. So what do? If I want to do it clockwise, I don't write a prime on the notations. And if I want to do it anti-clockwise, then I put a prime, which is a small comma on top of the letter R. So I'm doing a move here. So I'm doing a move called R and R prime. So R clockwise and R prime anti-clockwise. So that's basically it. Simple, isn't it? So now we need to go to the next step, the solving. So for the solving, first you need a scrambled cube. So I've got one already over here. So what do? Step number 1. Make something known as a fan. Basically, it looks like these all are correct colors, and it's like a cross for the pyraminx. If you don't already know what cross is, I'll later be uploading a video for 3x3 tutorial. Please be sure to watch it. And so, what's next? You need to make a fan. So how do you make a fan? Choose a color, any color you like. I choose green over here. So once I've got green, find the other green like this pieces. These are the center pieces, the tips and the edges. These are center pieces because they never move out of their position. You just need to bring them to the right orientation. So for this, just search all the 3 center pieces with green in them. Here and here. At least find 2 for now, and then you're done with it. So once you have found 2, catch the pyramids and find the edge piece which is interlocking between them, which basically means like this. This edge piece comes together because these 2 center pieces are connected through here. So once you've got that, you've got this edge piece here, and now you need to choose if the other green piece is on this side or this side. So you need to find them. I've found them at this side. So once we have found it at this side, now we need to put the other edge pieces at this side. Basically, just down and down. So like this, find 2 of the middle pieces and find the corresponding edge which connects both of the pyramids. One pyramid is this whole thing. So join both of the pyramids it's basically like an interlocking piece, like in diagrams we normally see in maths. So this piece, it can either be on this side or this side. If it's on this side, get both the pieces on this side and you're done with this. This is the half fan. Once you're done with the half fan, the next step is to make the entire fan. And this is the simple part. You just need to rotate the tips. This fan is not complete, rotate it once. This fan is not complete, rotate it once. It can also be this side, so you need to do a different rotation for that. Simple, isn't it? So once you're done with this, you're done with the fan. And the next step is to go with further solving, which is the first layer. The first layer comprises of the entire fan and its corresponding edge pieces put together. Here, as we see, two edge pieces are put together. And here I will give you your first algorithm. So the algorithm goes R prime L, L prime R. You get that? R prime L, L prime R, R prime L, L prime R, R prime L, L prime R. So this is just one of the pair of algorithms which goes. So there's R prime L, L prime R. So the next step is to put a piece in here. So get an edge piece which has your corresponding color and find it. Once I've found it, now take that color and take it to its correct side. Basically, you can see here that there are two yellows. That means that's a yellow side. Two blues, a blue side, and two reds, red side. So this is a red and green piece. So it will go onto the red side. So if it's going onto the red side, you need to bring it to the red side and keep green facing to you. So the green should face to you, and you'll get an option of two algorithms which are determined on whether the piece is on the left or the right. So now the first algorithm, as this is on the left, you need to do this one. L, R prime, L prime, R. Simple, isn't it? So now you get the piece in it. So like this only you can do an algorithm to get pieces inside. But what if the piece isn't on the right? What if the piece isn't on the left and is on the right instead? So what do you do in this case? In this case, you go for a different algorithm which goes like this. Both the algorithms are very similar in a way to solve them, so you'll get it easily. So the green facing, it's on the right side. So for the right side, you go with R prime, L, R, L prime. It's in its place, and now we are done with the first layer. Practice this algorithms again and again so that you can get that very specific finger memory. Once you have got this finger memory, you'll be able to solve it easily without reading any algorithms further. So we just did that algorithm, and now we have done with the first layer. Once we are done with the first layer, we have to do one more thing. So always keep the color that you have downwards. Once it's down, you're ready to solve. Okay, so if you have got a case like this, first align the top edge, and now you're ready to do it. So first things first, try to take a piece and put it in its correct place. So here, as you see, this is in its correct place as the colors are matching with this and this. So now that you see this, you see that these two, though in their correct place, the colors aren't matching properly. So what do we do in this? We do any of the algorithm to put the piece from the right to the place or the left to the place. It doesn't care which algorithm you do. Just do one of the either algorithms and leave it. Then you do a U, and then if you have done the right algorithm, then this is what you do. If you have done the right algorithm like this, you basically do a U move, and then do an L prime, U prime, L. So you get this case where it's all in the correct position. Now we are only one algorithm away from solving it. But what if you do the left move and put it a left move? So after doing the left move, it should go over here. Do your U, R, U prime, R prime. So like this, you do it. And this will put in all the edges in the correct order, in the correct place. So now the next step we have to go through is to put this in its correct location. Sometimes you may find this as it's already solved, but sometimes you may be unlucky and you may get this. This is where this piece is not correctly aligned. So what to do in this case? You need to rotate this entire piece around, and for that you do this algorithm: L, U, L prime, U, L, U, L prime, U. You see that? Now it's solved. It's a simple algorithm, and now your entire cube must be solved in no time. So, but there could be cases where the thing is not solved. For that, you just need to do the same algorithm again and it will be solved. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video and got to solve your pyraminx. It takes only somewhat of a few minutes to learn how to solve the pyraminx, as it's a very simple puzzle and people can solve it even under 1 second. So, thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and comment all of your doubts in the comment section, and I'll reply to them as soon as possible. And for then, peace.